My recommendations to you: have a pleasant and professional attitude. Respond fast to requests to book an appointment. Have easy scheduling system. Have free consultation. Always go over procedures. Go over expectations. Answer all the questions of your clients. Make sure every client understands the entire process and has clear expectations before you start. Always perform high quality service, not painful, totally comfortable, and give higher than expected results. Walk the client through the healing process and stay in touch with your client after the procedure. Always do follow-up consultation. Show your clients before and after pictures. This is very important. Send before and after pictures to your client. The reason why, because after 2 months, because that's how long it takes to have full healed results, your clients forget what they look like before. And if there are some unexpected results, for instance, the work healed too light, be prepared and willing to do free service to make sure that the results are spectacular. Always have clients come back after second touch-up for a consultation. And this is important because, first of all, you need to make sure your client is happy. Second, you need to take pictures of the healed results. And third, you need to ask your client, because we make sure they're happy, you need to ask your client to do a video review and share this video review on your social media, on your website, on your landing page, and this is a great tool to bring other clients. This industry is very visual, so you need to take a full advantage of that. Learn how to take nice artistic pictures and videos. Build your portfolio by offering free procedures. Don't charge full price until you're confident in the healed results. Don't sell your services until you know what you're doing. Build your social media presence. Learn about social media targeting and grow your audience. Where to get clients when you're first starting out? Well, I did everything. I did SEO for my website. I did Google ads. I did social media ads, Yelp, local publications, charity events. And some of these things can be very expensive, yet ineffective. What worked for me was referrals and doing work with other businesses. Starting with referrals. What helped me a lot was that I had a large pool of clients coming from referrals. I did a lot of free procedures on people like hairdressers, estheticians, and other beauty service professionals. And I asked them for referrals. And what was especially helpful in my career was doing eyebrows, doing the services on hairdressers who were also bloggers and had a large following on social media. You can offer your free services to anyone with a large following. They don't have to be beauty professionals. But again, you have to be very good at what you do. Your work has to be great. So everyone who sees your work want to have the same thing. I asked for referrals from plastic surgeons, from dermatologists, from other beauty professionals. And you can pay for referrals or you can offer free services, whichever one works for you. I personally did both. I also suggest that you work with businesses located outside of the city. For instance, spas, beauty salons, dermatologists, plastic surgeons' offices, where there's no other professionals like you who offers these types of services. Leave your portfolio there and have the salon or the plastic surgeon's office to book clients for you. You obviously will have to make some financial agreements with the owner of the place, and you will have to drive there a couple times a month, but you can actually structure your entire business like this, and that way you won't have to pay the